Welcome to the world of Dr. Tom. He's got the skills keeping systems calm, from Lagos to the ends of the globe.
Alright guys, you're welcome to Tech Solutions with Tom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can learn how to type online, okay, how to do the hand placement on your keyboard. Alright, you can learn that online for free, for absolutely free. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to be showing you all that, but before I do that, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell also, so that you will be notified anytime I drop a video like this. And also to my returning subscribers, you guys are wonderful. Alright, so let's dive into the video proper. Okay, so go to your Chrome, and then you go to this site, Typing Club. Okay, Typing Club. When you get to this site, so you can see it's saying Typing Club is the most effective way to learn how to type, and you can just get started. Alright, you can get started here by clicking on Get Started. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Alright, so you start from here. You can actually sign up for that. So this is click the lesson to begin, so you click on that and allow it to load. So
I hear you want to type like a pro. Let's start by setting up your finger positioning. Look at the F and J keys on your keyboard. Do you see the bumps on each key? Close your eyes and feel for the...
Because of I don't want this video to be too long. You can watch the video showing you how you can put your hands on the keyboard, how to place your hand on the keyboard, and you can try this for you can try it every day. Okay, before you know it, you should be able to type very efficiently, very fast, smoothly, without any issue. Alright, so give it a try and tell me if you're going to try this week. I wish you best of luck. So please make sure that you comment on there in the comment section, and also share to someone that will need this video. Alright, thank you and bye.
Welcome to the world of Dr. Tom. He's got the skills keeping systems calm.